Okay. Hello. Today we are into HP Lightbook 1030 GT. It's not coming on. Basically because of the roaming problem. What is ROM? Random access memory. Before you do anything, first of all unplug this. Ensure that you unsocket the battery properly. If there are some rust, make sure you clean them. Ensure that this battery is unplugged. This is where the whole problem is. After replacing it, I've signed it with my signature. In case the customer want to play smart, putting it back. Let's see what happened after this. This one has responded first. I don't fear. I know what I've done. So I think I'll just couple everything. I use laptop, we use laptop, use phone. Okay, I've coupled the laptop. Now let's on it and see the miracle. Plug in my power cable. The signs of life. It's coming back gradually. Okay. System has come out. Open. Now let's see if the hard drive is okay. Strike and enter to reboot. Hey, well, what is going on? No panic. It's reloading. So press the escape key for me, but there is no need. It's coming back already. Work done.